Soichiro Honda's journey to becoming a legendary figure in the automotive industry began with his early life and the challenges he faced. Born in 1906 in a small village in Shizuoka Prefecture, Japan, Honda grew up in a modest family. His father was a blacksmith, and his mother was a weaver. From a young age, Honda was fascinated by machinery and had a natural curiosity about how things worked. This curiosity led him to spend hours observing his father's workshop and experimenting with mechanical objects. Honda's passion for engineering became evident when he saw a car for the first time. The sight of the vehicle ignited a spark in him, and he became determined to understand the mechanics behind it. At the age of 15, Honda left his hometown to pursue his dreams in Tokyo. He found an apprenticeship at an auto repair shop called Art Shokai, where he learned the intricacies of car mechanics. This experience proved to be invaluable, as it laid the foundation for his future endeavors. During his time at Art Shokai, Honda demonstrated an exceptional ability to learn and innovate. He gained a reputation for his skill in repairing cars and his inventive solutions to mechanical problems. Honda's talent did not go unnoticed, and he soon became a trusted member of the team. Despite his success, Honda was not content with merely repairing cars, he wanted to create his own. This ambition drove him to explore new ideas and push the boundaries of engineering. In 1937, Honda founded Tokai Seiki, a company that produced piston rings. However, this venture was not without its challenges. The piston rings initially produced by Tokai Seiki were of poor quality and failed to meet industry standards. Determined to succeed, Honda went back to the drawing board and sought to improve his products. He enrolled in a technical school to enhance his knowledge and collaborated with engineers to refine the manufacturing process. Through perseverance and continuous learning, Honda eventually succeeded in producing high-quality piston rings that caught the attention of Toyota. Despite this achievement, World War II brought new challenges. Tokai Seiki's factory was destroyed by bombing, and Honda faced significant setbacks. However, his resilience and unwavering determination kept him going. After the war, Honda decided to pivot his focus from piston rings to motorcycles, recognizing the growing demand for affordable transportation in post-war Japan. In 1946, Honda established the Honda Technical Research Institute in Hamamatsu. He started with a small team and limited resources, but his innovative spirit drove him to develop a motorized bicycle using surplus military generator engines. This creation, known as the Bata Bata, due to the sound it made, became an instant success and marked the beginning of Honda's journey into the motorcycle industry. By 1948, Honda had founded the Honda Motor Company, Limited, with the vision of creating high-quality motorcycles. His dedication to innovation and his ability to overcome challenges played a crucial role in the company's early success. Honda's emphasis on research and development, coupled with his hands-on approach, allowed the company to produce motorcycles that were both reliable and affordable. In summary, Soichiro Honda's early life and the challenges he faced laid the groundwork for his future success. From his humble beginnings in a small village to his relentless pursuit of engineering excellence, Honda's journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation. His ability to learn from failures and continuously improve his products set the stage for Honda Motor Company, Limited to become a global leader in the automotive industry. As we explore the next chapters, we will see how Honda's innovative approaches and business philosophy further propelled his company to unprecedented heights. Soichiro Honda's innovative spirit and business philosophy were key factors that set him apart as a leader and visionary. His approach to innovation was rooted in a deep-seated belief in the power of engineering and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Honda was not afraid to take risks and experiment with new ideas, which often led to groundbreaking advancements in the automotive and motorcycle industries. One of Honda's core philosophies was the importance of hands-on experience and continuous learning. He believed that engineers should be intimately familiar with the products they were creating, which is why he encouraged his team to be directly involved in the design, testing, and manufacturing processes. This hands-on approach ensured that everyone at Honda Motor Company had a deep understanding of the technology they were working with, leading to higher quality and more innovative products. Honda also placed a strong emphasis on teamwork and collaboration. He understood that the success of his company depended on the collective efforts of his employees. By fostering an environment of mutual respect and open communication, Honda was able to harness the diverse talents and perspectives of his team. This collaborative spirit was instrumental in driving the company's innovation and growth. Moreover, Honda's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction was unwavering. He believed that the success of a product was measured by the satisfaction of its users. This customer-centric approach drove Honda Motor Company to continually improve their products and meet the evolving needs of their customers. In summary, Soichiro Honda's innovative spirit and business philosophy were characterized by a hands-on approach, a focus on teamwork, and an unwavering commitment to quality. These principles not only set the foundation for Honda Motor Co.'s success but also continue to inspire modern business practices today. In the next chapter, we will explore how Honda's legacy and principles are applied in contemporary business contexts. Soichiro Honda's legacy extends far beyond the motorcycles and cars that bear his name. His principles and innovative approaches have left an indelible mark on modern business practices, offering valuable lessons for today's entrepreneurs and corporate leaders. One of Honda's most enduring legacies is his commitment to continuous improvement, known in Japanese as Kaizen. This philosophy emphasizes the importance of incremental improvements and the pursuit of excellence in every aspect of a business. Modern companies, particularly in the automotive industry, have adopted Kaizen to enhance efficiency, reduce waste, and improve product quality. Honda's emphasis on Kaizen has influenced management practices globally, promoting a culture of constant innovation and adaptability. Honda's approach to employee empowerment and teamwork also remains highly relevant. He believed that employees should be given the freedom to explore new ideas and take ownership of their work. This belief in the potential of his workforce created a culture of trust and collaboration at Honda Motor Company, which continues to drive innovation within the company. Today, many successful businesses recognize the importance of empowering their employees and fostering a collaborative environment to achieve sustained success. Furthermore, Honda's customer-centric focus serves as a guiding principle for businesses aiming to build strong relationships with their customers. By prioritizing customer satisfaction and consistently delivering high-quality products, companies can create loyal customer bases and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Honda's dedication to understanding and meeting customer needs has become a cornerstone of effective business strategy. In conclusion, Soichiro Honda's legacy is reflected in the enduring principles of continuous improvement, employee empowerment, and customer centricity. These lessons from Honda's innovative spirit provide valuable insights for modern businesses striving for excellence and long-term success. By embracing these principles, companies can navigate the complexities of today's business landscape and achieve sustainable growth, honoring the legacy of one of the most influential figures in the history of the automotive industry.